The 2011 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power steering, driver airbag, cruise control, FWD, heated driver's seat, passenger airbag, remote power door locks, power windows, trip computer, leather seats, heads-up display, rear wiper, heated passenger seat, power heated outside mirrors. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.